This is M.Younis. Today we will discuss our lecture number 6 from chapter number 2, experimental technique in chemistry, first year class. This is sublimation. What is sublimation process? It is the process of conversion of solid directly convert into vapors, and if when condensed, they condense to form solid again. Process of conversion of solid substance to convert directly into vapors without converting into liquid phase. Without converting into liquid phase and condense back to solid again. Solid again. This is known as sublimation process. Actually, certain substances which are thermally unstable, if they are present into the mixture as crude substance, if they are present into the sample, we can separate these unstable substances by this sublimation process. As we know that different separation techniques are there. Before this we have discussed filtration and crystallization process, but in this technique those substances which are thermally unstable, if they are present into the mixture, they may separate it by using sublimation process, because when we heat that substance, the material like sublimized product like ammonium chloride, this is thermally unstable, iodine is there, naphthalene is there. If they are present into the mixture, we heat the substance, we heat the material, these unstable substance, ammonium chloride like iodine, like naphthalene, like benzoic acid, like, they may vaporize, they will convert into vapors, and if they condense, then they will convert solid again. These vapors will convert into solid again. In this connection we will separate these substance by this process of sublimation. Process is so much simple. How we separate these thermally unstable substance from the mixture? Look at this diagram. This is a sandbar in which particular material, a crude substance, we will take into the wash glass, put on to the sandbar, and a funnel is immersed, inverted over it. This funnel include filter paper which we immersed it in wetted form. End of the funnel is closed with that of cotton plug. Heat the material crude substance present into the wash glass. When we heat it, these materials, unstable sublimized product, iodine like or naphthalene or benzoic acid, these substances, when they are present into the mixture, after heating they will sublimize, they will vaporize and convert into vapor state. They will separate from the mixture. After heating, this process of heating is stopped. When we cool the substance, we observe that this sublimized product will be collected here into the funnel, into the glass funnel. When they are condensed, when they will convert into solid again, so we will obtain the mixture from this component from the mixture in this funnel. This is simple process for separation of thermally unstable product by this process of sublimation. So those substances which are thermally unstable, they may separate it from sublimation process, in which we heat the solid, it will directly convert into vapors and condense back again into solid when they are cooled. And in this regard, the substance it will be separated from the mixture and collected into the inverted funnel in with that of onto the filter paper. When they are cooled, the crystals of the product we will collect. So this is sublimation process. Thank you.